Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Being Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free Xbox Live in 2020. We're going to be utilizing the license transferring feature on Xbox One. I've done a million tutorials on this in the past when it comes to game sharing, but this time I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can utilize this when it comes to actually getting free Xbox Live from your friends. Quick disclaimer for this video: you're going to need a friend who currently has a current Xbox Live Gold membership, which he can transfer over to you. Just keep that in mind. He has to have a current, up-to-date one. If he doesn't have Xbox Live or she doesn't have Xbox Live, you're not going to as well. So, as I said, we're going to be utilizing the license transferring aspect of Xbox. Also, if you guys going to like this video and find value in it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload. So now, let's hop into the video. So the first step is go out and get your friends' consent to sign into their account, get their username, get their password, and tell them that, yeah, I'm using this to get free Xbox Live. So once you have that, guys, go and sign in their account. I'm going to be showing you, I'm just going to sign into an alternate account here, like this one. Just going to sign in. So pretend this is your friend's account or family member's account, which you're signing into. So once you're signed in, basically, you want to go over to settings, and from settings you're gonna make your way to personalization, and from personalization you're gonna go to my home Xbox. For me, it says remove this as my home Xbox. For you, it's gonna say make this my home Xbox. You're gonna click make this my home Xbox. It's gonna ask you to confirm this as your home Xbox. You're gonna click yes, confirm this as my home Xbox, and that's it. That's basically it, guys. From there, you will license transfer this person, and once you're license transferred, not only can you get free Xbox Live, you can also download their digital games. If you want to see a tutorial on that, I'll probably put a card or something in the top right for you guys to go check it out. I've made previous videos on how to game share on Xbox One, so make sure to go check that out. This uses the same process, just a couple more steps to actually download the games onto your account. But from here, you guys can get their Xbox Live for free. You can play online with your friends, family. It's awesome. And then you can just go sign back into your account. Like I'm going to go sign back into Baseball Batter 1. Man, I have so many messages on Xbox right now. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you license transfer on Xbox One. That's how you get free Xbox Live. Now you're off to the races, and you can go play with your friends online. It's that easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you guys know exactly when I upload. I'm going to be doing some more future Xbox tutorials on this channel. So if you like these, make sure to leave a like. That helps me know that you actually like them. Also, make sure to go check out the Life Being Easy podcast. That's linked in the description. I'm going to be doing a whole makeover of the podcast, changing the topic, name, bunch of stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. So I will see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy.